Welcome to part 3 of the Eico HF-52 amplifier series. In part 1, I showed you just how tremendously badly this amplifier kit was assembled. And in part 2, I removed all of the components. Now, some of you thought I didn't go far enough, and I should have stripped the chassis completely so I could refinish it. But as I explained, that's just something I really don't want to get into. It'll be too much work to remove all of those vacuum tube sockets, the controls, all the jacks. And I mean, for what? The chassis is fine, the blue is fine, there's a couple little smudges here and there, but honestly, I'm not going to go through all of that trouble for no reason at all. I think it would be really silly to actually strip the whole thing down. I mean, what's the point? Okay, so I relented, and yeah, here it is, the naked chassis. Yeah, I've created more work for myself, but I figured, you know what, I've gone this far, I might as well jump in all the way up to my neck. So what's next for our project? Well, unfortunately, that's going to have to wait until the next episode. I've got to leave now for a weekend mountain biking trip. So that's it for now. I know this was a short episode, but I've got a surprise to make it up for you. My wife has been fostering cats lately, so we've had a bunch of kittens in the house. YouTube loves cats, right? Well, take a look now at how the kittens got along with our family and our dog.
Oh my God, he's under the oven. He just came from under the oven.
Man, if I post this to YouTube, I would probably get more views than I've ever gotten. That's the truth of YouTube. No, Fancy, don't do that. Well, it's cats versus dogs. Fun on board. Look how close they're getting. like I picked up my phone and go.
What do you think of that doggy stealing your food? No problem?
They scared you out of your own little bed. You're gonna take that, please.
Scared her away. Didn't know she could fly, huh? You didn't know the kitty could fly. Neither did I. Fancy, don't
I've never seen jump like that ever. That's like a new thing she's done. See that little? Well, not
That little
quite
pounce.
That one, but that little. Yeah,
She's
little
doing that pounce thing. She did that when they first got here.
Looking for a shiny new gadget for your bench? Some good books on electronics, vintage hi-fi, or old radios? Indispensable tools, cleaners, or other products? Check out my new Amazon shop and help the channel. Lots of great products I actually own, use, and recommend, plus my thoughts on each one. Link in the description. To stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.